Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can activate your Windows 7 when you have black screen that your copy is not original. So you just need to download from internet this version. Here you can see it, Windows Loader version 2.2.2, and just download it. So and open after your download will finish. So just open it. Just create run. So now you just need to write password from archive. As I remember, it was for 11111. So I will close this all. I will go to the downloads and try to open it again. So we will try again to open it. Here you can see it. So after you download it, you will see your version of Windows. Here you can see our program Windows Loader version 2.2.2. So here you can see that status notification that it's not licensed. So now we just need to click on install and just wait some time. I will close this one. So we need to wait after it will finish.